equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your PS5 and replace the HDMI port without causing any damage. First, power off your PS5 and unplug all cables. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, place the console on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the console. There are 4 screws in total, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off the console. Be careful not to force it, as there are clips holding it in place. Use the plastic spudger to carefully release these clips. With the cover removed, you'll see the internal components of the PS5. Now, locate the HDMI port on the motherboard. It's essential to clean the area around the port before proceeding. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This will ensure a clean working environment and prevent any potential short circuits. Next, you'll need to desolder the old HDMI port. This step requires precision, so if you're not comfortable with soldering, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can handle this for you, ensuring a perfect job. If you decide to proceed, heat your soldering iron and carefully apply it to the solder joints of the HDMI port. Once the solder melts, gently pull the port away from the motherboard. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. After removing the old port, it's time to install the new HDMI port. Align it with the holes on the motherboard and solder it in place. Make sure the connections are secure and there are no cold solder joints. If you're unsure about your soldering skills, consider our quote before repair service, which can save you time and hassle. Once the new port is installed, it's important to clean the area again. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to wipe down the motherboard. This will remove any flux residue from the soldering process. Now, reassemble your PS5 by carefully placing the top cover back on. Ensure all clips are secured and replace the screws at the back. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home if you prefer not to tackle this yourself. Finally, plug in your PS5 and power it on. Test the new HDMI port by connecting it to your TV. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the HDMI port on your PS5. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.